Good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are doing great. Dear students, in our last class we learned about the chapter lesson 3 fiber to fabric. Is it? All of you memorized that one? Okay, very good. What all are the things we learned from that chapter? We understood about fabrics are made from yarn, right? And yarns are made from fibers, different types of natural and man-made fibers. Is it? So in this class, I am going to teach you about natural fibers. Can you say any example for the natural fibers? We can say it is maybe cotton fiber or jute fibers or flax fibers like that. So we will discuss more about that in this chapter. So dear children, examples of natural fibers are cotton fibers, jute fibers and flax fibers. Okay, now we can check from where we can get cotton. We can get the cotton from flowers of cotton plant. Flowers of cotton plant. That we call cotton ball. Okay, that we call cotton ball. We can get the cotton from flowers of cotton plant and that we call cotton ball. It's actually like a lemon size. Okay, harvesting the cotton plant, the plant needs suitable climate. That means it needs hot climate and the soil should be black soil. Okay, black soil. Okay, this is for better harvesting of cotton plant. And when we are checking the jute plant, actually it is obtained from stems of plant. Okay, when the plant is mature or when the plants became flower, that time that stems we are cutting and it is immense in the water. Okay, then from that we are separating the fibers. Clear? From the stem of a plant we can get jute fiber, and jute fibers are harvested in rainy season. Okay, so now all of you clear about cotton fibers and jute fibers. Cotton fibers we can get from the flowers of cotton plant and that we call cotton ball. Okay, when it is ripe, that time it burst out. Okay, that time we can see the seeds are attached with some fibers. When the stems are rot, we can separate the jute fibers from the jute plant. Clear all of you? Next we can check how we can separate these fibers. Then only we can make the fabric. That we can. Dear children, we can get the cotton fibers actually from the cotton ball. Is it? Then this process we call ginning. This process we call ginning. That is, fibers are obtained from the cotton ball by combing. That process we call ginning. We are making yarn from the fibers, cotton yarn from the cotton fibers. That process we call spinning. That process we call spinning. Okay. We are making the fabric through the process of two methods like that, weaving and knitting. Weaving and knitting. Through these two processes we are making the fabrics from yarn. Clear? We are making the fabrics from yarn through the two processes, weaving and knitting. What is weaving, children? Two sets of strand horizontally and vertically packed in weaving process. But in knitting process, we are using only one set of yarn to make fabric. Clear all of you? So, through this, we can make the fabric. We can make the fabric from the fibers, cotton fibers, how they are processing. Dear children, first we can get the cotton fibers from the cotton ball by combing. That process we call ginning. And after that we are making the yarn from cotton fibers. That process we call spinning. Then we are making the fabric from the cotton yarn through two different processes, weaving and knitting. In weaving we are using two sets of strand. But in knitting we are using one set of yarn. Clear all of you? Then this is the process for making the cotton fiber. Like this you have to draw and learn. Okay. And you should read the lesson. Now we finished our lesson 3, fiber to fabric. So all should have to read the lesson 3 times. We can meet in our next class. Thank you.